The tiny house on wheels thou phenomenon has transcended its origins as a mere novel building style, evolving into a profound social and philosophical movement. At its core, this architecture represents a radical rejection of conventional materialism, instead championing a life defined by unhindered mobility, purposeful simplicity, and heightened personal wellness. This deliberate choice is often encapsulated by the aspirational vision of a life lived through nomadic dreams, cozy and health-conscious, living in a tiny house on wheels. By shrinking their physical footprint, residents are effectively elevating the value of life experiences over material accumulations, granting them the unprecedented ability to transport their customized, highly comfortable domestic sphere wherever their quest for adventure may lead. The true strength of this housing alternative lies in its promise of genuine financial liberation and a drastically reduced ecological impact, systematically dissolving the pervasive anxieties tied to mortgages and consumerism, thereby charting a clearer, more sustainable course toward profound mental and physical equilibrium. The spatial limitations inherent in the design are not seen as a hindrance, but as a necessary catalyst for deeply intentional living, a practice many attest to be profoundly rejuvenating and liberating. The renowned intimacy and coziness found within a tiny house on wheels are the direct result of a masterclass in highly efficient and aesthetically rich interior architectural design, effectively transforming spatial restrictions into a source of unique appeal. These residences are meticulously engineered spaces that operate more like finely tuned mechanisms than traditional structures, with every square inch ruthlessly maximized. The visual warmth is typically achieved through the liberal application of organic, tactile finishes, such as rustic, salvaged timber, complemented by a flood of sun-drenched natural illumination streaming in through oversized or strategically placed windows. This focus on natural light and texture is often paired with ingenious, transforming furnishings, including embedded storage units integrated into seating and convertible desks, which maintain open space. The result is a perfectly curated microcosm that fosters the distinct psychological comfort of being continuously nestled in a tranquil, disorder-free sanctuary. Crucially, the minimal volume of the dwelling ensures that temperature regulation is remarkably effortless, allowing the home to remain a constantly comfortable refuge. Whether shielding against a winter chill or offering a cool haven from summer heat, this seamless convergence of thoughtful design and inherent material warmth creates an enduring, psychologically nurturing environment, cementing the mobile structure's status as a stable, personalized haven rather than a temporary shelter. Perhaps the most compelling argument for the nomadic tiny house life lies in its inherent alignment with prioritizing a health-conscious existence. The necessity of building small naturally dictates a rigorous commitment to using non-toxic and environmentally benign construction supplies, such as certified sustainable plywood, zero VOC finishes, and natural fiber insulation.